Byrd is Europe's leading on-demand fulfillment network, powering thousands of e-commerce merchants from their tech-driven warehouses. To meet growing demand, they needed a reliable SLAM solution. Scan, label, apply, manifest, and seamless sortation. Before SLAM, every parcel required manual labeling and manifesting, slowing throughput and risking errors. Sorting was inefficient, and peak times created bottlenecks. Scaletronic delivered a turnkey solution, a DWS station that scans, weighs, and measures in one pass, automated print and apply modules for instant labeling, and a 5-way sorter to route parcels into chutes seamlessly. The result? Labor hours spent on scanning and labeling dropped by 15%, letting Byrd's team focus on value-added tasks. Our modular design means every new warehouse can simply plug in the same SLAM-and-sortation pod. Real-time data feeds back to Scaletronic Cloud Analytics, ensuring uptime and continuous optimization. Ready to transform your fulfillment? Let's talk.